Experiencing issues with your Tesla Model 3's automatic headlights? This overview will guide you through diagnosing and resolving common problems. We'll focus on the light sensor, auto mode settings, and practical fixes. As of January 2026, software updates have significantly improved reliability. The headlight components include sensors and mounting points that can affect auto functionality. Key sensors are located around the vehicle for monitoring ambient light. Settings can be adjusted via the touchscreen for auto mode and delays. Hardware and settings issues can still occur, but most are resolved with cleaning, updates, or recalibration. The Tesla Model 3's auto headlights rely on a photosensitive light sensor located on the rearview mirror. This sensor measures ambient light intensity in lux and triggers the headlights in auto mode. The sensor uses thresholds calibrated for sunrise and sunset times based on your GPS location. Here's how the light sensor circuit works, using a photodiode to detect light levels. A light meter like this can measure lux levels, helping understand how the sensor operates in different lighting conditions. The sensor interfaces with the car's central computer via the Controller Area Network, or CAN bus. This integration allows coordination with other systems like wipers and adaptive cruise control for seamless vehicle operation. Several factors can cause your auto headlights to malfunction. These include software glitches, especially after updates, obstructions blocking the light sensor such as dirt, snow, or residue, incorrect auto mode settings, wiring issues more common in pre-2020 models, and extreme temperatures that can affect sensor accuracy. We'll cover each of these potential issues in detail. Before diving into more complex troubleshooting, try these quick fixes. First, power cycle your Tesla. Next, carefully clean the light sensor lens with a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol. Finally, verify your auto mode settings via the touchscreen under Controls Lights. Ensure the mode is toggled to auto and check any delay settings. These simple steps often resolve the issue. When basic fixes like cleaning the sensor or checking settings aren't enough, advanced troubleshooting can reveal deeper issues with the auto headlight system. The Tesla service menu provides diagnostic information. To access it, hold down the brake pedal while using the scroll buttons on the steering wheel to navigate to the diagnostics option. The Tesla mobile app offers remote diagnostics. Open the app and check the remote logs section, which can display specific errors related to the headlight sensor and help identify underlying problems. These advanced tools provide valuable insights that can pinpoint the exact cause of auto headlight failures, making it easier to resolve complex issues. Tesla prioritizes software-driven fixes for auto headlight issues. Recent updates, like V12.5.1.1 released in late 2025, have significantly improved sensor calibration and responsiveness. The integration of full self-driving supervised (FSD supervised) enhances headlights by predicting light changes based on navigation data. Keeping your software updated is crucial. The software update screen shows available updates like V12.5.1.1, which fixed calibration issues. Full self-driving supervised uses navigation data to predict and adjust headlights proactively. Calibration ensures accurate sensor response, part of software updates. Check software version in settings to ensure updates are applied. Regular software updates are essential for maintaining optimal auto headlight performance. If software updates and basic troubleshooting don't resolve the auto headlight issues, it's time to seek professional help from Tesla service centers. Professional recalibration of the light sensor system is often necessary and typically costs between $100 and $200. For pre-2022 Model 3 vehicles with faulty wiring harnesses, hardware replacement may be required. Tesla addressed this through a 2025 recall program. To schedule an appointment, contact Tesla support directly through their website or app. Tesla's service locations offer diagnostic tools to properly assess and fix persistent headlight sensor problems. The future of Tesla auto headlights points to full AI autonomy, where headlights anticipate road conditions preemptively. Tesla is also experimenting with eco-friendly graphene-based sensors. However, cybersecurity concerns are rising, prompting Tesla to add encryption layers to protect against potential manipulation. Expect standardized auto lighting protocols across brands in the long term.